Want to learn Cantonese anywhere, anytime? Get the Innovative Language 101 app for free.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, what is Jyutping? Jyutping, commonly known as Jyutping, is the standard, most commonly used phonetic system for spelling Cantonese using Roman letters. It's a way to read and pronounce Cantonese words through English letters and tone numbers. For example, SIU3, seal as in to laugh, is the Jyutping for this character. Even though most Hong Kong people can understand the Jyutping or other romanization systems, they are not a substitute for the Chinese characters. Let's get into more details. How is a word built when written in Jyutping? Cantonese sound can be broken down into syllables. These syllables can be a standalone word, or they can be combined together to form compound words. Each syllable is made up of an initial sound, a final sound, and a tone. So for learners who are not familiar with the Chinese characters, we transcribe the syllables into Romanized letters, or Jyutping. Here is an example of a syllable in Jyutping. Sing, which means star, S-I-N-G-1. Here, the initial sound is S, and final sound is ing, I-N-G, and the syllable is in the first tone. The tones in Jyutping are represented by a number placed on the right side of the syllable. There are numbers from 1 to 6. Now, how common is Jyutping in Hong Kong? Basically, Jyutping is the transliteration of Cantonese sound for Cantonese learners, which is related to the International Phonetic Alphabet System. For native speakers, however, this is unnecessary and never taught in school. So don't be surprised when a native speaker is not aware of or doesn't know what Jyutping is. There are many cases of government transliterated Hong Kong street or district names that use an obscure and unstandardized system. For example, Sham Shui Po. Sham Shui Po is commonly known as the Sham Shui Po district, but the transliteration Sham Shui Po is not in line with the Jyutping rules. You can listen to all the sounds of Cantonese and see their corresponding Jyutping romanization at www.cantonese-class101.com/Cantonese-alphabet. There is a Jyutping chart with audio to aid you in perfecting the pronunciation. How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comment below and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. Hat si kin.